Hello and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro, but my friends call me the Village Girl. I have wanted to do this for a very long time because I hate when people misspell Kikuyu words. When I read some tweets or some posts on Facebook or on Instagram, I always feel like, gosh, that is so wrong. Why do people write Digihota or Fafa with F? So I've always wanted to correct people on the internet, and I am doing this right now. So I have 10 words for you that are misspelled. I know you, yes, you have used one of these words before, and I know you've used them incorrectly, or you wrote them incorrectly. I know you have. Let's get to the video. And before we do, I hope you've subscribed. Have you subscribed? Thank you. The most common word that is used is Digihota. Digihota. I don't understand why people write Digihota. Digihota. I'll show you how to write it, and I will also show you how it's usually written. So this is how we write Digihota. It is not this. This is Digihota, something like that. But this is the correct spelling of Digihota. Also, I know this looks like V, but it's not. It's actually a dig. Just forgive my handwriting. I have a bad handwriting, but it's fine. Our second word is Gaifafa. I know. Gaifafa. So I'm going to show you how to write Gaifafa right now. This is how you usually write Gaifafa. I mean, we don't have F in Kikuyu, but I think I'll just pronounce it as you do. So you write Gaifafa. No, ever. I mentioned this in my first lesson about BA, and FA. We don't have F in Kikuyu. We use B as F. So this is how we write Gaifafa. God, our God, we write Gaifafa, and we always use capital N, capital B. So this is Gaifafa. It is not Gaifafa. Gaifafa. It is Gaifafa. Okay. The third word is Shosho. I'll just show you how we write so in our language, because people write shosho. Hey, shosho. Nimeenda kwa shosho. So let me show you. It is not shosho. It is so. We don't have S in Kikuyu, so we use C. So. No shosho. Daddy wa shosho. Nobody says that. We always say Daddy wa so. So the fourth word is kairetu. Well, we write kairetu. So I will show you again. I will just write the way people write on the internet and how it's actually supposed to be written. This is how you write, and I admit I have written this before. It is kairetu. It is not kairetu. Yeah, this would be pronounced in Kikuyu. This would be pronounced as kairetu, but this is kairetu. Yeah, the kairetu kega. The fifth word is tigagoma. This is how you write tigagoma. And while we actually have G can be used G can be used alone in Kikuyu. We also use it with N. So it's ngoma. If you wanted to say, in Swahili it's called ngoma, but in Kikuyu is ngoma. Tigagoma we. So yeah, this is how you write tigagoma. So our sixth word is Moshene. So this is how you write moshene, which is incorrect, by the way. So this is how we write moshene. It's not moshene, it's mosene. Our seventh word is digithia. Digithia mosene. Kira digithia mosene. Again, it's nd. Digithia. So our word number 8 is Morio. Morio. This is how we write Morio. It's Morio. Morio. Gosh, my handwriting is bad. This is how we write Morio. It's Morio. Morio. Gosh, my handwriting is bad. So word number 9 is Mokorino. And this is how you write Mokorino. This is how we write Mokorino. This is how you write Mokorino. So you actually write Mokorino, but we write Mokorino. Number 10 is Saitani. If you want to meet the devil, some people write Shaitani. Shaitani. Well, it's actually Saitani. Saitani. We've come to the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And I'm sure that you've learned something and that you will never write Digihota or Moshene again. So if you've not subscribed, just make sure you do and turn on the notification bell and share with your friends, especially those friends who you joke about speaking Kikuyu with, and however you guys write or when you guys are texting each other. So just share, make sure they watch this so that they don't write Shaitani anymore. So thank you so much. My name is Rebecca. That means bye in Kikuyu. Then see you